Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So today we are going to be making flavored banana chin-chin. So let me walk you through the ingredients that we'll need for this recipe. First, we have our 1 kg all-purpose flour. We have our 4 tablespoons of sugar. We have our 50 grams of unsalted butter. Then we have milk. Then we have banana. And then we have flavored, 2 eggs, baking powder and nutmeg. First, you sieve your flour in a clean bowl and then you grate your nutmeg. Then sieve as well. Next, you add your baking powder. Make sure you add all your dry ingredients first before adding the liquid ones. Next, you mix up all the ingredients together, all the dry ingredients, and now you rub in your 50 grams of unsalted butter to the flour. Make sure you mix that properly. Next, you match your banana. You need a very ripe banana for this recipe, so you make sure you match that very well, and then you add to your mix flour. When you add that to your mix flour, ensure that you mix it very well as well. Mix it with your hands.